It's important to look before you lock when you have children and pets. As temperatures go up, so do the chances for them to become the victim of heat stroke or suffocating in a hot car. Even with the windows cracked, the temperature inside a car can become life-threatening within minutes. Never leave children or pets alone in or around vehicles, not even with the windows down. Always keep car keys and remote openers out of reach of children. Keep vehicles locked at all times, even at home. Unlocked cars pose a risk to children who are naturally curious. Teach your children the dangers of a car and let them know it is not a toy or a playground. Make your child as visible as possible. Place rear-facing car seats in the middle of the back seat. Establish a routine of checking the back seat every time you exit the car. Don't overlook sleeping infants, older children, teenagers, or seniors who may be asleep, distracted, and out of sight. Everyone is at risk. Leave your cell phone, shoes, briefcase, laptop, or purse in the back seat. This will make you check before you get out. Ask your babysitter or childcare provider to call you if your child hasn't arrived as scheduled. Try to plan ahead when you have errands. Run errands when your spouse, trusted neighbor, or friend can watch your child. Use drive-through services as often as possible, and pay at the pump when refueling. When a child is missing, check vehicles and trunks immediately. If you see an unattended child or pet in a hot car, always call for help immediately. For more information about heat-related illness, you can visit health.mo.gov.